Looking to create adorable monthly milestone photos with your baby at home? I've got you covered. In this video, as well as this entire little mini series, I'm going to be sharing tips, tricks, including how to edit, light, and what simple props you can use that are probably already around your home. If you guys are new here, my name's Rachel from Confused Mom. Welcome to my channel. I share baby and toddler product reviews and activities, as well as Montessori at home tips. Make sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss future videos. In the description box below, I will link my full playlist for all of the fall themed monthly milestone photos, but today we are going to cover just September. And this is super simple. You're just going to need some apples, green foliage, a white sheet or blanket. Totally optional is like a letter board or milestone cards or a basket. What you're going to do is head somewhere with natural light that is evenly shaded. We didn't have great light inside our house that day, so I actually went into our backyard where we have a little covered overhang area and just laid out my white blanket here. Don't worry if it's kind of wrinkly, that will end up coming out in editing. From there, I literally just picked some greenery from around our property and framed where I would ultimately put my baby. So keep in mind that you're going to want either a square or rectangle frame ultimately, because if you do like a circle like some people do, it's going to leave a little bit of awkward dead space in the corners. Once I created a frame using that green foliage, I went ahead, double looked at it from my camera, made sure that I liked the way everything was sitting, and then I added in my apples on top of it. If your child is old enough to sit up, using a basket and filling the basket as well with some apples can be really fun, especially because they'll be picking up the apples. The apples will be rolling and you can get some cute variations versus just laying your baby down. And then you'll just lay your baby down in the middle and then just hold your phone directly over them. If you're short, you can always use a step stool, and sometimes it can help to use a little rattle to shake next to where the camera is. That way they are looking in the right direction. My general rule of thumb when shooting a baby though is if it takes longer than 3 to 5 minutes, we call it and we try again after the next nap. And I try to always do this after nap time, and ideally if they woke up in a good mood before they fed, to reduce the likelihood that they'll spit up. Otherwise, I'll get them up from the nap, I'll feed them, and then wait like 30 minutes or so to limit the likelihood that they'll spit up. Hit that subscribe and notification button so you don't miss October. And make sure to go ahead, check out that full monthly milestone series, check out my baby product reviews. And if you guys have any questions at all, my name's Rachel. Feel free to hit me up on Instagram or drop a comment below. Have a good one.